Yo, by the way, Priyashi, thank you so much for the follow. 21 hours ago. Welcome, man. Welcome everyone to the stream! Yo! Thank you for the follow. Ex-Officer Shadow, welcome! Ba-da-ba. Chat! How are you all doing and welcome! How are you doing, Ex-Officer Shadow? Welcome everyone! Archie, Suraj, if I'm mispronouncing people's names. How are you doing? Charlie got them
apple bottom jeans boots with the fur. With the fur and the whole club was looking at her.
Chat! Do you guys notice this song? Still no sleep, bro. Get some sleep. Chat, do you notice this song? Yes, of course I still remember you, Suraj. I'm so sorry if I mispronounced it. Only have 20% BP left in. Oh man, good thing you clicked. So rude. Well, too bad. Okay. We need the team. Welcome back to another Minecraft. Oh crap, why does it always do this? It always does this. Officer, by the way, welcome to the cool follower book. You're the first follower of May 16, April 19th. Let's go, big man. Let's go. Chat, I stayed. Yo, chat, have you watched the new Thor Love and Thunder trailer? It's mad. Thor Love and Thunder was so crazy. Oh, hang on. You know what? You have to watch it. We have to watch it. Literally. We have to watch it. That's like, bro, we got to watch it. Hang on. Thor. Bro, it was so madness. We have to watch it live on stream. Have you seen Jurassic World trailer? I have, but that's not as new. Like the Thor one came out like today. I think. Well, Chad, we're gonna watch it live. All right, we gotta watch it live because we haven't done that. Oh man, official. No, no, no. Where's the one from Marvel? Yes, this is the one. Yo, thank you so much for the 1 bit, man. I know.
Damn, Eoris, I only have 20% PP left, dude.
Bro, you need to work. You need to gain. Have you played any Pokemon games? Not really, no. All right, chat. Guess we're gonna watch it. Oh my god, I've watched it like 12 times. Honestly, it's ridiculous how many times I watch it, but it's so good. Oh, look at this. It's baby Thor, teen Thor, adult Thor.
Who I once used for battle.
Oh my
Now
god.
they're but humble tools for peace.
Oh my god.
I need to
Oh. Oh.
exactly who I am.
Oh my god, look at that. Yo! It's so cool. What? Yo, that's that. Okay, guys, it's lit. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. That is the exact same thing Star-Lord has. Thor and Star-Lord are wearing matching clothes. What? Okay. It's so sick. It's always that anime flashback scene. What is happening? We're watching the Thor's teaser trailer. Look at that. Look at that. Oh. Wow, he's buff again, gamers. Look at that. Look at his gains. Look at his gains. Oh my god. You're amazing. Thank you, sure. Thank you, bro. Yeah, look at this. Oh, it's #1 on trending. Yo, when I checked it, it was #2. Yo, suck it, Ronaldo. Yeah, Chris Hemsworth. I'm sorry, I don't have any hate towards Ronaldo, okay?
My superheroing days are over.
Rip. Oh, Grog is back. Na 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 na. Childhood memories. What? Thor getting women. Thor getting ladies. What? 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 Why does she look like Katy Perry? Is it just me or does she look like Katy Perry, guys? I don't know. Does kind of giving me kind of like Katy Perry vibes. I don't. It's it's still pretty sick. Oh man. Oh damn. Oh wait. Armor. Looks so cartoonish. It looks so good. It looks so good. Oh my god. Oh man. All right, I don't like the fact that they mix Greek mythology with Norse mythology. It's like you have Zeus and now you have Thor. It's like but it's quite interesting, quite interesting. Damn! It's funny. Oh, yo, thank you for the 1 bit.
My volume was at 0. I thought you
Hello.
weren't speaking.
Damn.
Chris Hemsworth Pog UI, flexed biceps, flexed biceps,
I know.
flexed biceps.
Oh, damn, he's
heart.
got some flexed biceps.
Just listening.
It's so beautiful. Oh, sweet child of mine. Oh, man. Oh, man, his hammer is back. The hammer is back. Natalie Portman is... Natalie Portman. Oh, my... Guys, oh, my God. I have to watch it again. No, I'm not even going to stop. I'm just going to... Oh, why...
Hands who I once used for battle.
He's so awesome, chap. He's so
Now
awesome.
they're but humble tools
Oh,
for
I remember
peace.
when I was obsessed with Thor. Like, I couldn't choose between Iron Man and Thor. I love them both. They were so amazing.
Exactly who I am. I will choose my own path. Live in the moment.
Damn. Oh. This movie. Oh, I'm so excited for this, man.
Not good enough for Eoris's moderation system frown.
Man, I thought I was... Bro, this movie is sick. I'm looking so forward to watching this. I'm looking so forward. Oh, man, chap. Guys, Want to hear something funny? I love Jurassic World. All right, we watch the Jurassic one next. All right. Oh man. Hello, Angelica Skylar. How you doing, Angelica? Welcome. Well, sweet out of mind. I remember when I was obsessed with this song as well. Chris Evans is so hot. Agreed. Damn. I'm straight and I agree with this. He's spoiling the movie?
Yo, why you
No.
spoiling the movie?
It's the trailer. It's the trailer. All right, Jurassic. Wait. Jurassic World. Let's look at the Jurassic World one. I've already seen the Easter, like the people analyzing Easter egg stuff. All right, I've already watched this. It's got 49 million views. Whoa, gee, that's pretty. Yeah, I've already watched it. It's pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. You know, you have Chris Pratt in both movies. Like that's pretty sick. Can I friend you? No, I'm sorry, bro. I don't take friend requests. Want to see your hate page that I found? I have a hate page? Yes, send it to me. Send it to me. DM it to me. Whoa. Yo, Chris Pratt.
Chris Hemsworth. We love Chris Hemsworth. Romantic face. Flexed
Still
biceps.
spoiled some of the movie.
Flexed biceps.
How did I spoil
flexed
it?
Biceps.
Oh
flexed
man, everyone
biceps,
loves Chris
flexed
Hemsworth.
biceps,
See, that's a
flexed
man
biceps,
with lots of
heart.
ladies. Okay.
See, touch.
The last Jurassic World movie was good. Oh man, I love the dinosaur sounds they put in this. Why is the raptor so big? Or is that a baby raptor? I just can't tell. Is it a baby or is it just... No, it's a baby.
We'll find a way.
Oh man, I remember the cast when they when they announced the cast for this movie. I was like, holy, whoa. Yo, thank you so much for the follow, Nico-san. How you doing? Yo, I mean, like the animation for this was so good, you know, like the amount of detail in the dinosaurs and the like CGI and everything. It's so good. You can like literally see every grain of... Isn't this in 4K? I'm pretty sure this is in 4K. No, it's not in 4K, sadly. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. It's still... Oh my god! The old cast! The old gang's back together, everyone! Oh, man. Oh, man, thank you for the 1 bit again, bro.
As a kid, I thought running like the raptor, I would go
Chris
faster.
Hemsworth any day. He is so hot. Romantic face. Romantic face. Romantic face. Flexed biceps. Heart.
I thought running like I would go faster. I mean, honestly, it's really hard to run like a raptor. Oh, I hate these dinosaurs. These are Therozenos. They're the worst and most annoying. I play. What's it called? Ark Survival Evolved, and that dinosaur stinks. Okay, they're the worst.
We not only lack dominion over nature.
Oh, yo. The name is Mara. How you doing, guys? I'm sorry. I know I'm literally watching movie trailers right now when I should be playing Minecraft. I'm sorry, but you know, it's like, oh, I'm obsessed with movies. I'm really obsessed with movies. Whoa. That's definitely new raptor. Damn. Yo.
You wanna know Chris Hemsworth's real name?
What is it? Thor? Is his real name Thor? Oh man. Oh.
I always come back.
Wow. This is like some Tom Cruise level, you know, action. But better, because it's got dinosaurs. Why you ruin it? Why did you ruin it? Okay. 10 out of 10 Minecraft content. Thank you. Oh, you check your DMs? Alright, I'll check it. I have a hate page. I'm really looking forward to looking at my hate page.
Sparkles.
Guys, stop spamming. Okay, don't spam it. Alright, the spam makes it harder. But by the way, this name is Mara. Thank you so much for the follow, by the way. And Nuzoko-san, thank you for the follow. I'm so sorry I didn't read out this before. Ruining the ambience! Eoris, I can't DM you. Did you block me? No, I just don't take DMs, bro. I don't accept DMs. Unless, you know, I just don't do DMs, man. I'm sorry. I don't block anybody now. Whoa, Quetzal! That's a Quetzal! Those are pretty big. Oh, damn. What is that? That's a different. Okay.
Don't move. Bigger. Why do they always have to go bigger?
Yo! These are some of the movies I'm just so excited for. Doctor Strange as well. Oh, and then we also have, what's it called? Okay, Chow, there's a lot we could talk about, you know? There's a lot. Okay, so someone sent me a DM. Give me 1 second. All right, let's open up Minecraft again.
Why is TTS sold out 11111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111delay. There's a 1 minute delay, so I can at least chat and nobody keeps spamming me. What? There's an actual cancel thing? Oh man, this is so. Okay, hang on. Let's have a look at that. All right, chat. This is the Eoris. Why we should cancel Eoris Live. Looking forward to this. Before I tell you 3 facts on why we should cancel Eoris Live, Twitch.it, please watch this funny SpongeBob meme. After watching, do not scroll down and do not exit until you finish reading my shit. This is a Rickroll. It's
when the Eoris gets too famous.
Too famous? Oh yes, true. No! Yeah, I called it. I literally called the Rickroll. Yeah, the Rickroll guy. See, Rickroll with I know this guy. I know this. It was already a Rickroll. He's too awesome. He never dies and is very OP. There's an extra space here. Okay. Very famous people watch him now and only him. True. Okay, why the project? Project name 1. Yo, they didn't. Oh, you can see it's a template. Damn. Oh my god, nice template, buddy. Nice template. Pretty good if I may say so myself. Oh, whoever made that. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. All right. Welcome back, everyone, to the stream. We took a while to get onto Minecraft. Jeez, man. Welcome, new girl. How you doing, guys? I'm gonna turn off the TTS.
Oh, okay.
I'm turning off
Sparkles,
the TTS.
Sparkles,
All right.
Sparkles,
Guys,
Sparkles,
no, that's it. TTS has gone off. Okay, you abuse it. See, that's what I'm keeping your channel points as well, because you abuse it, I keep it. That's not cool, gamers. All right, straight up. If you abuse TTS, it's just gone. Whoa! Okay, so let me explain. So, chat, after yesterday's stream, I literally said what I did. I left my PC on running all day. Okay, too bad. I turned it off. Okay, it's gonna be off for a while now. You abuse it, you lose it. Okay, so chat, I left my PC on running all night. Okay, all night, just chilling here. And we are now rich. Oh my god. Oh my. Yo, thank you for the hydrate. I do need a hydrate. Oh damn. Holy. Oh, what? Why? Oh, okay, this isn't. Why is this in full? Why is it not full? That's full. Oh yeah, this is okay. So it's that. Okay, never mind. Yo, that's pretty crazy. Oh my god. Oh, hello, Raptor. Welcome. All right, chat. Since we're so rich. Oh my, I did not mean to do that. Let's just do this. Okay, let's get another stack. Damn, bro. We are like madly rich. Okay, we're just gonna cook that. Yo. Raptor. Hello, everybody. Welcome to the stream. Oh, yeah, no. To add 2 more people to the epic follow book. All right, followers. Thank you so much for following. So we have Officer. Then after Officer, we got Nexo-san. All right, there you go, Nexo-san. And then we also had the name is Mar. There we go. Name is Mar. There we go. Wait, can I glitch this game? Can I? What? Oh, okay. I found a little glitch then. In that case. Bro, we just watched the new Jurassic World trailer. I mean, it's not new. It's like 3 months old. We watched the new Thor movie. That is the real thing. All right, we watched Thor. How are you all doing? Welcome to the stream, everyone. Hello, Mar. Hello, everyone. Hang on, I don't know if it's too loud. It might be a bit too loud. Let me have a quick look. Is it too loud? All right, TTS is back on, just to let you guys know.
if I catch you guys abusing it, it's gone again. All right, for the rest of the stream. Actually, no. We'll get one more chance, and then we'll be gone for the rest of the stream. Okay? Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. Oh. No, sorry. Oh man. Oh, Insta. I'm on Instagram. I am on Instagram. I just don't use it. Okay. Okay, it's nighttime, which is kind of dead, bro. That's kind of lame. Alright, so now we're super rich. Guess what we're gonna do? We're gonna trade. We're gonna trade for more emeralds.
Eoris make Discord friend request buyable with channel points.
No. We're gonna get some emeralds. Alright, gamers, let's get some emeralds. Okay, since we have a lot of, bamboo, we can get lots of sticks. Then with, oh my, how am I gonna carry all of this, bro? Okay, how am I gonna carry all of this? Okay, how much is in? Okay, that's a lot in there. See, here's the thing, guys. I don't want to do friend requests, okay? I don't do friend requests with channel points, okay? That's my Discord, man. I need a sense of privacy with my Discord, okay? I don't want people messaging me whenever they want or whenever they feel. It's like, me, like, oh, here's channel points for your number. Give me your number now. No. That's not how it works. All right? Minecraft friend request is the closest thing you'll get. Like on Hypixel or whatever. But still, bro, give me a bit of privacy, guys. All right? Pop. Okay. Okay, look at this. We got paper for days. Do a raid. Why? I just started, bros. Yeah, TTS is back on, so if you guys want to use TTS, just letting you know. Alright. Time to get some paper. We don't need... Okay, where's my minecart? Oh, man. It's my minecart all the way over here. Oh, did it despawn? Minecart despawn? Interesting. And maybe some fine diamonds. I will... Oh. Guys, my game crashed. Uh-oh. My game crashed, guys. Oh, no. Oh, no. My game... Chat. Just joined and died. No. My game crashed. My game crashed, guys. Don't worry. Hang on. I can fix this. Wait. My game crashed, gamers. Hang on. Are we back? Yo, I clutched it, guys. See, I clutched it. Oh my god. Spectators, what do you mean? I clutched it, gamers. I am a clutch god. Alright, I'm a straight up clutch god. We saw you? What are you talking about, chat? You saw nothing. Alright, you saw nothing, okay? You saw absolutely nothing. Chat, I never died. This is a fact that you all should know. I just don't die. I am like Jesus, get reborn into different, different man. Alright, buddy. Alright, man, time to give me all of your emeralds. I'm going to... Oh, man. I need more emerald. Okay, you trade string. We're gonna get some. Don't worry. You trade crap. Chat, I keep telling you, I just don't die. It is impossible for me to die. My dog says cap. No. I will delete clips. Okay, I can do that. I can delete clips because I am a Minecraft professional. Okay, stop trying to expose me. Expose yourself. Expose yourself. All right. Gamers, listen to me. I don't get exposed. I do exposing. I know a big secret. I will spoil the Thor Ragnarok, the new Thor Love and Thunder movie, okay? I know a big secret, okay? I can be nice and not tell you and not spoil it, but I can spoil it as well. You want me to really spoil Thor Love and Thunder? Okay, I can expose myself. No, chat. I will 100%. But you're so broke. Give me things. How are you out of stock? So broke. Are you broke? Please don't be broke. No, no, no. Where are you going? Bro, it's not even all of our sugarcane. We've already got a stack. Wow, we are rich. We are so rich. Rewind. I have a Bulbasaur. Let's go. I've sent it in media, everyone. No, no. Guys. I don't commit crimes. I do crimes, okay? Everyone knows that mocking white sheep. I'm telling you, chat. I need to get more white sheep. Not because of any racist reason. Just because, you know... Guys, don't try to expose me, okay? I never die! Sorry, I went to go do... I don't commit crimes. I do crimes. Are the same thing, Eoris? No. I don't. Okay, I don't. I do the crime. You know, I don't commit crimes. I do crime. You know, crime doesn't do me. I do crime. How rich are we again? Damn, son, we rich. Bro, we're sorted. We're absolutely goated and sorted. Okay, let's grab all of these. Okay, let's just grab all of these. And then we just turn them into sticks. We just put them all into sticks. Let's put the paper away. Okay, let's just go sticks. These sticks. Come on, give me more sticks. Why can't I do this faster? I want to do this faster. Come on, give me the sticks. I need more sticks. Sticks are life, sticks are things. What? Chat, okay, no one try exposing me. Exposing you will get you cancelled. As you saw, chat, there's someone trying to already cancel me. Bro, this isn't even that many sticks. I thought I was gonna get more sticks. I literally feel scammed. How much more is here? Okay, there's not even that much more. Bro. Why? I expected more. Oh, man. Actually, no. I actually got quite a lot than what I expected. How much is in here? Whoa, that's a lot. That is a lot. Okay, that is a lot, man. Let's just do that. And then we take this and this. How much more? Just give me all of your sticks. Okay. There we go. We got lots of sticks. Damn, we still have a remaining few sticks. Alright, it's fine. It's fine. You died. No, guys, I didn't die. I pulled a Jesus and resurrected. Okay, resurrected. Okay. Like Jesus did on Easter. He resurrected. He never died. Same with me. I never died. Obviously, he got sent to heaven, but I am, you know, bound to this world where I've decided I'm on a mission. Fill this book with 100 pages. This book needs to reach 100 pages worth of followers, okay? And then it's forever closed, you know? Someone donate Void. It's not gonna do anything. Void doesn't do anything. I also want to apologize for being late to today's stream. Okay, I know I was late. I was doing things. Okay, I was doing SMP related stuff. I also went to go eat because I was hungry and I just wanted to eat. Man, you are a scammer. Okay, don't be scammer. Okay, whatever you are, do not scam. Are you going to take a job? I need jobs. Who's going to be a job? Who's going to take this job? Are you a job man? Are you the job? Who's taking the job? Someone's having a baby there, I see. What? No one's taking a job? Interesting. What if we move it? Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Let's go, let's go. Infinite sticks. All right, let's go, let's go, let's go. Infinite emeralds from sticks. Oh, man. Oh, man. All right, restock. Quick, quick, quick. I'm going to the other guy. Where's the other guy? Where did the other guy go? Where's the other guy? Where's the other man? Oh, he dipped. He knew. He knew I was going to come. Oh, here he is. Here he is. Okay. Ba-ba-da-ba. Bro, upgrade yourself. Yes, I clipped and show me to media on Discord server. Yeah, if you join the Discord server, exclamation mark Discord guys, you should all join the Discord server. Yo, you know, do the thing where you go back and oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. How long are these guys gonna take before they restock? How long are you gonna take before you restock? Oh, don't sleep. Don't sleep, man. Oh, man. These guys are all... Okay, this is some weird gang stuff, man. This is why we need more houses and more beds. Oh, I'm telling you. Is my device... What do you mean? Oh, now it works? What works? Oh, yeah, the TTS is back on and it works? Yes. Yes, it is. Excuse me, good sirs. Wow, this is a lot of people. Alright, where are the guys? What is going on in here?
Have a nice day to everyone.
You leaving? Alright, Shell, thank you for dropping by. In that case, I hopefully will see you later then. Hopefully we'll see you later. Where's the man? Oh, what's going on there? There's some sus movements here. I need to trade sticks. I'm not even at like, what's it, a stack. Oh my god, these guys take forever to restock. These guys are gonna take forever. I'm not leaving them out. Oh, you're lurking? It's almost midnight, bro. Why don't you go to sleep? Why don't you go to sleep? What is it? New Zealand or America you're in? I don't know. That's like an American time-ish. No, I'm all in everywhere in America. It's probably, 2 in the morning. So it has to be a New Zealand time. Most likely, or a Hawaii time. I'm gonna say Hawaii. Hawaii seems the most reasonable. Imagine if I have a Hawaiian watching this. Damn, straight up having a Hawaiian watch this stream.
Discord
New Zealand. All right. I got it.
World.
I got it. New Zealand was my first guess, but I was like, I'm in Singapore, and it's like, what's this time difference? Isn't it like 6 hours or something like that? 6-7 hours? Damn. I mean, yeah, no, actually that makes sense if it is. Yeah, that makes sense why it would be midnight then. Alright, boys, can you please restock? No, I want you to restock. Restock. Where did he go? Where did he go? Please, are you... I'm getting scammed here. I'm out of here. I'm out. These guys straight up scamming me. No, man. No. Everyone do join the Discord. We got movie night. We got some cool movies, for you guys. Some cool movie night stuff planned. And hopefully that's pretty sick. Oh, man, chat. How did I fail this? I need to get more. Yo, thank you so much for following, Danny Knight. How you doing? Welcome to the stream. I'm going to add you to the cool follower book once I get up these dumb rails, if it lets me. Okay, there we go, and bam. Alright, adding Danny. Thank you, Danny, so much for the follow. Welcome to the cool follower book, big man. Bro, I'm telling you, those villagers are straight up scammers. They knew I was gonna scam them, so they were like, no. Well, out of stock. That's what they do. Then they drive up the price and make it expensive. Oh, man. So not cool, gamers. So not cool. Alright. Cat as well. I'm kind of upset today. I have water, I have water. I'm not saying it's bad, It's just like normally whenever I start the streams...
Emotional damage. You died.
I have an emotional
We saw
damage.
emotional damage.
I have an emotional damage sound alert, right? Bruh, you could have just used the emotional damage sound alert. It's literally free. Well, it's channel points, but still, man, it's more or less free.
Bro! Time to get even richer! Oh, damn, son. Oh, damn, son. Alright, there we go. We got some goated items. Okay, okay. Let's go put these emeralds away. Emeralds away. Oh, how are you, Danny? How are you? He gone emotional damage. What are you chatting? What are you lot chatting? What nonsense are you guys chatting? Oh man. Okay. So even though I said I was gonna do, okay. So guys, there's two things I want to do today. Okay.
Newbie
two
symbol,
things.
newbie symbol, newbie symbol, newbie symbol, newbie symbol.
I told you guys are gonna spam it
symbol,
inappropriately, and I'm gonna turn it off, and I did. Okay, there it is. It's off. It's gone. All right. Yo, pronounce my name correctly, and I will follow. Sarviol. Is that how you say it? Sarviol? Sarviol? Oh, damn, bro. Why you give me like the hardest name to pronounce? Bro, I'm dyslexic. That counts for something. That counts for something, you know? Being... Oh, man, I'm such a baby. Oh, I failed, bro. Yeah, no. Okay, like I said before, you spam it, you lose it. This is warning 2, okay? The next warning is final warning, and then it's gone. Darviol, thank you so much for the follow. Welcome to the cool follower book. You get added to the cool follower book of cool followers. You know, once this book reaches, what's it called? Page 100 of followers, it's gone forever. No one will ever be able to, you know, enter the book of awesomeness. Oh, man. Oh, man, it's gonna be so sick once we, you know, reach the cap. Cool death book. What do you mean death book? He died? Guys, what are you talking? Stop chatting nonsense. Alright, don't be a nonce. Alright, gamers, no. It's not time to be a nonce. It's time to be goated, alright? By the way, chat, you know, for those that haven't seen it yet, what
emotional damage?
Still don't get. You guys take emotional damage, okay? For those that haven't, you know, wasn't here in the beginning of the stream, have you guys watched the new Thor Love and Thunder trailer? I keep saying almost Thor Ragnarok, even though it is not, but have you guys seen the new Thor Love and Thunder trailer? Oh, man, it's so awesome. I literally, like, I was talking to my friend today, and I was like, wow, this is by far going to be the most hype movie ever. Like, there's, oh, Flame is pretty sick. You know, like, I don't know what to say about it. Like, it's so sick. It's so awesome. Alright, excuse me, sir. Any other, you know, librarians? Any other librarians? Oh, man, only one? That's not cool. Yo,
I just built the best house in Minecraft in my SMP. It took me 1.5 hours, but it's worth it.
Let's go. That's pretty sick, man. Yo, congrats on your best house. That is really nice. Oh, man. I have built the best villager stuff. What? I don't know what I'm saying. I built this. The world's best and fastest iron farm. If I AFK here for like an hour, I'll be like, what, 600 iron richer? I think it's 600. Yeah, I think it's 600. I'm not sure. There's a lot of villages around here, honestly, so I think it might be 600. Okay, can we get some more emeralds? Bro, I don't like this song. I keep forgetting to remove it. I keep forgetting to remove this song out of my playlist, but I never do. Excuse me, man. Stop pushing me. That's rude. I'll stab you. Don't push me. Do you want to... yo, thank you again so much for the 1 bit.
Anyway, I just want to flex my bits.
It's all good, man. All good. Thank you. Thank you for all your bits, man. Very, very appreciated, good man. Can I... No, I can't trade. Yes, I can trade with you. Okay, come on. Come on. Come on. Let me finish the trades. Let me finish the trades. Let me finish the trades. Okay, it's sick. We have a stack in 15 now. Let's go. Oh my god. We are rich. Straight up. Alright, once we get that wolf armor to going. Oh man. Oh man. We're about to get dough. We need to make a bigger potato farm as well. I just realized. We're gonna need a much bigger potato farm. Like, I'm not gonna lie, our potato farm is good, but it needs more. It needs more. It's lacking. Okay, the potato farm is lacking a little bit. Oh man, I feel like a pimple coming on my face and annoying because it actually hurts. And I'm trying not to scratch it, but I have such fidgety fingers that I end up scratching it a bit.
Emotional damage, pain. That's I am detective. Okay, chap. I'm gonna enable TTS again. If you guys abuse it, if you guys abuse it again, it's gone. It's gone for the rest of the stream. Okay, I don't want to see no TTS abuse. That is our stacked items. All right. Look at this. Let's get a donkey. I want to go find a donkey. I keep diverting what I want to do.
Always find time to rest and to have fun in your hobbies.
Always find time. Oh, thank you. You know what, child? That is very appreciated. One of my hobbies is acting and movies and whatnot, and I found a way to do movie-related things and get paid. It seems like a bit of a scam, but honestly, the more I do it, the more I'm realizing it's not really a scam. It's just a way of being cool and awesome. It's pretty cool though. I'm not gonna lie. It's a part-time job thing.
No, God,
and
please,
it's have to be. It's 18. All I have to do, chat. Being 18 feels so cool. You get to do so many things. You get access to so many more jobs and higher pays. As a minor, people were scamming me. I was being scammed as a minor. Chat. Oh man, I'm telling you guys, being a minor sucks. All right, nobody wants to get scammed ever, and I got scammed as a minor. Clap. There you go. There you go. Oh man. Oh man. Also, chat. Oh, I need to play this song. I have a cool song here. Well, chat. Have you watched Baby Driver? Have you guys watched Baby Driver? If you not have watched Baby Driver, what are you doing with your life? Okay, you guys need to watch Baby Driver. All right. Look, just listen to this song. All right. It's such a sick song, honestly. Oh, man. Guess what? Tomorrow, chat, I'm going to go-karting with my school, with my classmates, which is going to be kind of cringy-ish. But I'm going to smoke them. I'm going to smoke them all with my epic driving skills. Because I once illegally drove. I think it's on my Instagram. If you scroll through my Instagram, but you might find me illegally driving at the age of 14. I was 14 and illegally driving. It was I don't know what to say, honestly, but it was a moment. That's what I'll say. Is there not a donkey around here? I need to find a donkey. Donkey? Donkey. Oh no, there's a skeleton now. Oh damn, bro. Oh, keep running. Explosion. Hello, Mrs. Spratt, how you doing? Donkey! I need to find a donkey. Every time I turn to the screen, I almost die. There's things trying to kill me. And whenever I turn to the screen to read chat or whatever. Donkey! Oh, crap, bro. Oh, crap. Oh, you missed!
Wasting my points on this, but don't change your interests for the sake of other people.
Obviously I don't do that. I've always wanted to do acting for a really long time, so I get to pursue it. The only toxic way people change their hobbies is so they can make money. A lot of people start streaming so they can make money. Then they quit because it's too stressful. I'm like, why did you start it in the first place? Now, I asked this to another streamer who was a bit bigger than me and who grinded, who was they use their body and facial features to be attractive to gain a big audience. And then after they post it on Twitter this twit long and to say yo, I'm quitting streaming and whatnot. Now I'm gonna tell you about it. The fabulous, most groovin' fail bottoms. Yeah. Have you done a viewer SMP? I have once before. I'm gonna get back into doing it again. I'm actually working on a server for it. Fail bottoms. I know there's a donkey around here somewhere. I remember seeing one before. Wait. I forgot. This guy trades some pretty good stuff, doesn't he? Right? Do you trade cool things? Does that use any trades? I don't know. No, it's this guy. Wait. Is it this guy? No, it's leather for Okay, wait. Okay, we're going back to the song. No, but chat, I want to tell you a serious thing. So there was this person, pretty big streamer. I'm not going to say who it is. But, we weren't really friends, per se. It was just us being content creator homies kind of thing. It was cool to chat and hang out with them, I guess. But then, you know, they said, you know, when they did their tweet longer, I DM'd them, you know, being like, yo, what's going on? Why you quitting? And they're like, just like I said on my tweet longer, I'm quitting because of like stress and whatnot. I'm like, then why you get into streaming? Like, what was the entire point? And I kid you not. They said they did it for the money. And I'm not gonna lie, they did get a lot of money, but it's just like, really? Really? What mouse do you have? I have a Model O. I have like, what's it? A Tron X-Craft mouse. No, it's an Alcatraz X-Craft Pro Tron 5000. You know, it sounds like a washing machine, bro. I don't know why it sounds like a washing machine, but I'm literally using a washing machine as my mouse. You know what kind of mouse is called Alcatraz X-Craft Pro Tron 5000? Man, that sounds so cringe. You know, it's like trying to be fancy and trying to be futuristic, but it just sounds like a washing machine. Alright, why is there no donkeys here? I swear to God, I've seen some donkeys before. Alright, let's go this way. There's a horse. Nice. But I need a donkey! Donkey! Donkey? What's there no donkey? There's a few horses. Bro! Show me the goods. I missed. Show me the donks. Donks? What? Yeah, donkey. I need donkey. Donkey. Bro. Sounds like a refrigerator or a dishwasher. Exactly. It sounds like a washing machine. Oh, chat, you know, as an Asian person, I think I may have committed a crime. Alright? I think I may have committed a crime. We recently bought a dryer. I don't know if that's crime worthy though, honestly. It feels like, you know, as an Asian, I've committed a crime. Paying for electricity that provides hot air. You know, I feel like I may have committed a crime. But honestly, it's so much more faster than the, you know, the traditional way of drying clothes. Like, instead of waiting, what, 12 to 6 hours, only 2 hours, it's hot, it's dry, it's fluffy. So it's like at the other, you know, at the other side, it's like, you know, the first one was fun, had a lot of glitches. I know, you're making a view of SMP. I want to play on it. It might be good. Yeah, no, it's gonna be good. I'm just I'm trying to, you know, make it a bit more than the typical viewer SMP. Have a few more plugins, have some mini bosses added into the game. You know, I think it'd be fun. Add some custom items as well. There is a custom, what's it called? Amethyst wand I've added, you know, but you have to kill an amethyst golem. Which is a mini boss that drops like this amethyst orb or something, and then you have to craft that with a fully healed trident, and then you get a thing. Oh, that's a donkey, and then you get this amethyst wand, and it's pretty goated. I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty sick. Hello, donkey! I searched far and wide for you. Hello, donkey. Let's go, donkey. 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 Okay, you're kind of cringe. I know this. I tamed this donkey before here. This guy's got to be tamed. Oh, donkey. Hello, Mr. Sprout. Welcome to the stream, big sir. Welcome, welcome. GTS is back enabled, by the way. Oh, you're not tamed? Whoa, what is wrong with you? Don't do that. You see the golem dying in the back over that? Damn. Bro, stop kicking me! Bro. Donkey! What are we gonna name it, chat? We need a donkey name. This guy's more health, but is this guy faster? That's the question. Is this guy gonna be faster? Like, love me! Love me! Donkey? Are you gonna... Just love me, donkey. Just do it. Just love me. Just love me, donkey. Just love me. What is... Can somebody please redeem iCarly on guitar? Damn. Damn. No one's done that forever. There we go, donkey. Alright, donkey. How fast are you? Kinda fast. Alright. Give you that. Your jump is kind of pathetic, though. Alright, what about this other donkey here? There was another one right around here, right? Where did he go? Here he is. Are you faster? Will you love me? Are you... I love that show. Do you? I mean, I was all... I as much as I liked iCarly, I liked... What's it called? Big Time Rush more. You know? I don't know why. You know? Just, you know, the way... You know... Oh, wow. This guy's also kind of slow. Oh, man. Oh, man. But at least his jump is better. Like, well, you can only jump one block high. Still cringe, but it's okay. I just need him for his donkey purpose of carrying chests. I don't know. I like Big Time Rush better, honestly. You know. And I was so excited when they did a reunion recently, and released two new songs. Obviously the newer ones is better, but like I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty, you know. Donkey 2.0, is this what we're naming this guy? We're gonna name him Donkey 2.0. Is that his name? Is this what we've agreed to? Donkey 2.0. Yes, nobody. Wait, so is his name Donkey 2.0? Are we actually naming him Donkey 2.0? Yo, Abby the Noob, thank you so much for the follow. Welcome to the cool follower book, Abby the Noob. Let me just get to page 16. Let me add you. Bro, I'm starting to hate this book so much because I have to... Bro, I have to manually go through, like, well, I don't know, a lot of pages. I forgot how pathetic this guy is gonna be at climbing up the mountain. Oh, no. Oh, no. This guy sucks. Uh-oh. Can you break this faster? Please tell me I can be. Can't even jump 2 blocks. Okay, you know what? That's fine. There we go. Alright, Donkey. Welcome to your new home, Donkey. Don't leave. Alright, this is your sister. Another sister you have, Donkey 2.0. Woman. Name it Calrax. Have you watched Friends? Of course I've watched Friends. Who hasn't watched Friends? You gotta be weird to not have watched Friends. But this song actually gives me Friends vibe for some random reason now that you mentioned Friends. Whoa! Turtles live! Thank you so much for the raid of 3! Welcome, Turtle, to the stream. Welcome, Raiders, to the stream. How was your stream, Turtle? Welcome. Yo, thank you so much for the raid. Welcome in, Raiders. How are you doing? How was your stream? What did you get up to? I guess you played some Minecraft. What did you do? I'll be in tomorrow. Alright.
Welcome, Raiders. Enjoy the Eoris stream.
Yeah, well, yeah, I do hope you enjoy this stream, man. Alright, look how rich we are. So rich. Okay, what's that doing? Oh yeah, so wood. Would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck would. What am I? That's not even the right phrase. Okay, not the point. Okay. Not the point. We need wood. Alright, we need some wood. See ya on Aaron. Alright, no problem, guys. If you could drop a follow, it would be very greatly appreciated. But welcome, Raiders, to the stream. How are you doing? Bro, my friend keeps DMing me. What? Some random person is, this is on my lunch, haha. I know you're busy, but it's dinner time, so don't. Some random guy just sent me a photo of his lunch. What? Guys, I kid you not. Some random person, no, don't allow. Just sent me, wow, is this meant to be racist? Is this because of what I am? Is this because, whoa, hang on guys, give me 1 second. What do you mean a random person's calling me poor? Sorry guys, I came back. Check out the Discord. Do check out the Discord. Donkey 2.0. Sorry everyone. Sorry, I had to AFK. My mum was calling me to do a thing. Okay, bro, I just ran like what, 10 meters, and I just got. What the flip is? I need to exercise more, gamers. I need to exercise more. Like, believe it or not, I look, you know, pretty skinny. Okay, I'm just not built. I need to be a bit more built. All right, Donkey. There you go. Donkey has chests. Donkey has chest. Oh, yo, I can put. I just realized when we get to the nether, we can. I mean, to the end, we can get shulkers and put shulker boxes in Donkey. Okay. We're rich, man. Straight up. Okay, next, we need to get these books. We need to grab some of these emeralds because we're so goddamn. And then we need to go get some mending. So we got mending here. You're lacking 2 more mending. Let's just get 2. Let's just 4 mending. How many? Yeah, we have 4 books. We'll just get 4 mending books, honestly. You know, we never know when we might need another one. Do you think pineapple goes on pizza? That's a good question, Abby. Straight up, good question. Let's put it to a poll. Let's put it to a poll. I like that question. I like that question. Hang on. Let's... Where'd you get that emote, bro? Where'd you get that emote? Bro, these random people I started working with started DMing me so much. I don't care, okay? I don't care for your DMs. Alright. Do you think pineapple go on pizza? Wait, can I copy? Wait, game. Second. I copy that. You hate pineapple? Whoa. Pineapple goes on pizza? Yes. No. Maybe. It's fine. There you go. It tastes okay. There we go. Let's put the poll for 10 minutes. Oh, there we go, chat. Let me know what your thoughts are. I think it's okay. Like, it doesn't taste bad. It doesn't taste good. It tastes pretty bland-ish, you know? I think it's okay. I mean, I don't know. That's just my personal opinion. All right, let's get out of here, son. Let's get out of here. Oh, man. Oh, crap. I failed the clutch. Oh, I failed a clutch. How do I only get 2 saplings? That's kind of lame. All right, let's go to the village. We've got a lot of running to do, man. We've got to run, like, miles. Yes. Yours, how are you? Yours, how are you, LG? I'm straight. I just, I'm an LGBTQIA supporter, Like, I support the entire movement, the entire, thing. I don't know what to call it. Oh man, it sounds so Karen-like to say. Damn, bro. I don't mean it in a Karen way, okay? I support it. I try to create a safe space where people don't get judged because, they're a member of there. That's what I try to do. You straight for exactly. Oh, okay. You meant community. Thank you. I lost the word community for a second. How did I forget? Chat, this is how stupid and dumb I am. I forget the word community. How? Geo Puppet 72. Thank you so much for the follow. Welcome to the follow book, man. Oh my god, I have to butterfly click just to get this page number. They need to update it, bro. They need to update books. If you close the book on page 16, you open the book on page 16. Don't open it from page 1. All right, Mojang, let's do a bit of book updating. Let's update the book in Quill. Let's, and actually let's make the books editable when it's on a lectern, That would be nice, Mojang. That would be nice, right? Mojang, I tell you. I should have brought Donkey with me, honestly. I think Donkey would have helped. How are you, Geo? Well, check out the poll, man. Check out the poll.
2 + 2 = 5 because I'm smart.
-1 is how big your PP is. Damn! Oh! I'm such a legend. I'm such a legend rapper, man. I'm sorry. That was -1 is the size of you. Literally, I have no good comebacks. I need a better comeback, man. I need to work on my comebackingness. What? That's not even... yes, it's a word. I made it a word. Oh, crap. Why am I failing my emojis today? Hello, Devly fan. How you doing? Welcome. +1 = 3 because you have 2 people. True. You know what? 2 people... 1 + 1 person, 1 man, 1 woman, and comes a 3rd person. Can be man, can be woman. That is, honestly, that's so true. I misclick. Yo, Next Star Live. Welcome, man, to the stream, and welcome to the follow book, my friend. Yo, okay, there we go. And Devlon fan, thank you so much for the follow as well. Good, man. That's very appreciated. Next star after and then Devil Fen. Sorry, I mispronounced your name, big man. How are you guys doing? Hello, I'm from Torch Stream. Who's that? I don't know who that is. Torch Stream. Who's Torch? Wait, is that like an acronym or something? Hello, Doctor. Thank you for the lurk, big man. Thank you for the lurk. Ooh, I'll take the Rotten Flash. I do need it for trading. I need it to trade. I need it to trade. All right, where's the villager man? Villager man, where are you? The guy that trades. Yes, yes, yes. You. One. Come on, bro. Don't do this. 2, 3, 4. Damn! I'm still rich, guys. I still have like a stack remaining. Wow. Wow. Whoa. 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 What's wrong with me? 1 plus 1 equal 1 plus 1 minus 1. Is that like isn't that a -1? So doesn't that mean it's -1, like -2? I'm not sure. I might be wrong here. It could just mean -2. Yeah, so smart. Guys, are you really trying to big brain math? I have a math test coming up soon. Well, I got my final exam soon, and I'm here playing Minecraft when I should be studying, but I don't study because I can't study. Oh! Yeah, I'm so smart that I don't think I need to study. Well, that's wrong. Everyone needs to study, okay? I'm just egotistical that way. The only thing I don't study for at all is probably science. Well, no, actually I do, because I do tuitions. Never mind. You know, forget what I said. I do study, you know? I'm finished. I'm failing totally. Bro, it's okay. It's okay. I get you. I get you, man. I get you. I feel the exact same way. Oh, man. What an absolute problem it is to fail. Bro, you know how much lies on... Oh, man. You know, I hate the fact that the entire concept of studying, you know, the entire concept of school is a bit scuffed, you know? These 18 years of your life is, you know, like this... No, what's it? 12, 13... Wait, how... yeah. No, these, like, 12 to 13 years of your life in school determines your entire future. I think that's a bit scuffed, man. That's why I like what Elon Musk is doing with school, you know? He literally started his own school just for his kids to have like a good future and education that is not determined by a standardized test. Oh man, oh that's you know. I also like the fact of A-levels. Like the way A-levels kind of work is like okay, borderline. It's still a borderline a bit odd, but in some areas. But some of it's like okay, I get what you're trying to do. It isn't that bad, you know. Like with, you know, just like the standardization of, you know, test taking and everything. That needs to evolve, you know? Like the entire... Hydrate, thank you for the hydrate, Abby. How are you? How are you doing? I wish you luck. Thank you everyone. Thank you. Time to set up my PNG tuber. Bro, let's go. See, I was thinking about getting a PNG tuber. And then at the same time, I was like, do I... It's either, you know, don't use one, and, you know, PNG Tube is kind of cringe-ish, you know, because it's like, oh, it's just like two frames, basically. So it's either like, you know, get a VTuber, which is high quality and high, like, everything, you know, it looks cooler as well. Or...
Fitness Gram Pacer test is a multi-purpose test and a gargoyle.
Yeah? Oh, jeez. Damn. But, I mean, isn't that like an MCQ kind of test though at the same time? Isn't that just basically doing multiple choices and whatnot? Multiple choice questions don't seem too bad. I mean, the thing is, it's so easy though. That's the thing, you know? It's like, oh, it's one of these 4 answers. But versus like the standardized, oh, it could be any of these. Why I put sticks here? The Rotten Flash good. You know, it's like, it's still in my head a bit borderline, you know, not right in some ways. Alright, what do I do with all this kelp now, bro? I have like infinite amounts of kelp. Oh man, I'm gonna have to use these sticks. This is a good fuel source, man. Actually a really good fuel source. Damn.
Damn! Just keep grinding, guys. You're gonna keep grinding. All right. Now, eat it. What? You want me to eat the kelp? Ew, gross, bro. Kelp is disgusting and the worst Minecraft food ever. All right, it has literally got no use. All right, gamers, don't make me eat stupid kelp. All right, this is what we're gonna do. We need to find out how to make a Minecraft spider farm, spider spawner XP farm. Okay, we need to figure out how to do this. Apparently, it's super easy, and we need to know how to do it because you know we gotta master it. Okay, which one seems the easiest? I don't know which one's the easiest. Which one got the most views? We're basing it off views. All right, this looks pretty good. All right, I need to figure out how many what's it called? How many items I need. Okay, it's not that expensive. Not that expensive. All right. Here, let me get a screenshot of what we need to get. So we just do this. We do this. Then I add source. No. Add display capture. Display capture 2. Automatic. No. Cancel. No. What the flip? What is this? No, bro, get out. Okay, sorry, Jimmins. Wait, give me 1 second. How are you? I'm doing well. Oster, how you doing? Welcome. Through Jellybean isn't that cringe anymore compared to her copies, but her catchphrase is still annoying. What is Jellybean's catchphrase? No. Everyone's no for pineapple on pizza? Alright. You know, I respect it. Okay, what did I want to capture? Yo, Oster, thank you so much for the follow, bro. That's very appreciated. Hang on, give me 1 second. Capture, window capture. That's what I wanted to do. This. There we go. Okay. This is exactly what we need. These are all the items we need. All right, these are the items we need. Let's just I'm going to crop the image just a little bit so it fits on the screen better. Okay, items needed. This is what we need to make our little thing. Every time we get something, we'll cut it out of the. Oh crap! Why did I do that? I flipped the image. No. Okay, there we go. It's there. Yo, but thank you so much for the follow, Oster. Welcome to the stream and welcome to be a part of the cool followers. Oh crap! What the flip? Where's my cursor? Oh crap! My cursor disappeared. Oh damn! Oh no! I can't see my cursor. Can you guys see my cursor? Yo, Trixie, how you doing? Throw your pickaxe and I will follow you. Okay, if I can, bro, I can't see my cursor. What is going on? What is this? What the flip? Why can you guys see my cursor? What? Hang on, I want to restart Minecraft. I want to restart Minecraft. For some reason, I can't see my cursor, and I don't know why. Because of that. Wait. It could be. Wait, I don't know.
Not even close, baby.
What is the font for the recent follower thing? It's a Minecraft font. You mean on screen? Oh my god, I have to restart Minecraft. That's worth it, right? Oh, is that worth it, Trixie? Come on, yeah, that's gotta be. What's the font of the recent follow? You mean on screen or on the Minecraft book? If it's on the Minecraft book, I honestly don't know. On screen, it's a Minecraft font. It's a Minecraft font that is what's it called? That is what's the word? Oh my god, I think the OBS. It's the OBS! Bro, it's this window capture thing. What if I remove it? Now it's back. What the flip? That's weird. How did it open? What? Icy Foxy! Hello, Icy Foxy. Welcome to the stream. Hope you're doing well. Welcome. Found it, Minecrafter. Yep, that's probably it. Sounds like it. Okay. Well, I just have to, you know what we can do instead? Let's just do this. Then we just do display capture. We'll turn that off and then we'll just zoom in here. All right, wait, I need to add the followers. Okay, Oxter. Wait, did I add Oxter already? Oh crap, I forgot who I added and who I didn't add. I have to butterfly click all the way to get here. Okay, Oster. We add Oster. Nope. There we go. Then we add Twerky Cat. I don't know why I said it like that. It probably is not pronounced like that.
Do you have a Discord server? I do! Exclamation mark Discord. Thank you, Epic. Thank you very much. By the way, Epic's a new mod, you know? Became a mod literally yesterday night after the stream. We finished all the mod apps, and oh my god, I was so glad that I finished it all. Alright, what do we need? Let's have a look here. We need 32 slabs. Oh, that's a lot of slabs. 18 that's a lot of fence gates. 18 slabs. Alright, let's start from the bottom, okay? 2 buckets of water. Okay, we just gotta go get water. Not a problem, because it is right here. Ba 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 da ba 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 ba. No, but yeah, no. Okay, so what we're doing now, guys, is we're trying to get a thing. What's the thing called? It's called a crap. That's such a big line, my dude. Don't want it to be too. Make it look fancy, bro. Okay. We need 3 walls. I'm pretty sure I got some walls here. 3 walls. Then what do we need? 3 hoppers, 3 chests, 3 signs. I don't have. What's my? Okay, 3 hoppers, bro. That's a lot of. Bro. Okay. No. Okay, so we need like a total 6 chests. Bro, we need a lot of chests. Oh my god. Oh my god, when are you gonna need some chests, man? Yo, what's up, Zelduk? How you doing? I'm fine, thank you. Welcome, man. Welcome to stream. Are you planning on face reveal? Well, the thing with face reveal, guys. Here's the thing I have with face reveal. I think I'm gonna do one once I reach what's it called? A mil, because at the same time it's like, you know, I don't want you know all my entire life being on the internet before you know. Like, I don't want everyone to know everything about me before I become like super famous. Otherwise, there's nothing for anyone to be excited about. So that's why, you know, I'm like, at the same time, I'm trying to build tension and like keep tension to be like 4, 5, 6. Yeah, I'm trying to build and keep some tension so people be like, you know, all right, will he do a face reveal this stream? Will he do one this stream? You know what I mean? All right, so we got the wall. You just need 3 hoppers. 1, 2, 3. Bam. Put these back into iron blocks. Alright, we got this. We need some signs, iron trap doors. Okay, bro. Easy. Iron trap doors. We need 3. Okay, no problem. We can get to 3. Hands up if you agree with him. Put his hands up. I put my hand up. My hand's up. My birthday's in 2 days. Let's go! Happy birthday, man! I'm happy to hear you're doing fine as well. But yeah. Oh, okay. So yeah, that's kind of the general plan, anyways. Okay, we need 3 signs. Let's get some signs. We have signs. Yo! Niet plays Minecraft. Welcome to the stream and welcome to the cool Minecraft follower book. Oh my god. Absolute. Alright, wait, is Ice Foxy in here? Yes, they are. Alright. Damn, son. Welcome to the cool follower book, good sir. Okay, we need some signs. Oh, bro. Okay, I'm gonna make some sticks, bro. Okay, 3 signs, right? 3 signs. Got them. We gotta go get more wood, bro. We're lacking in the wood area. There's a hopper in here already. Why did I make one? Okay, we need a lot more wood because we're gonna need more. We need fences and things. Hello, what are you doing? My name is pronounced Knight. So sorry, buddy. So sorry. I do apologize. I am a bit dyslexic, so yeah. Wait a second, is there wood in here? Oh damn, it all got cooked into charcoal. Come on, no! Get your butt down there, thingy! Oh, I don't know what I'm saying. Give me your wood. Thank you very much. Oh, thank you for that. That's very kind. A sick song. Alright, Elan. Okay, so we got a bunch of stuff. Now, no. I need to place this down. All right, let's see. Okay, let's go. Get our gates clap. Let's go. Let's go. Here's an axe. Why is he not using it? I was using an axe. What are you talking about? You think I was punching with my hands? To cut down the leaves? Oh. Well, because it doesn't make a difference if I use an axe or not to cut down the leaves. Either, I mean, yeah, the axe will take some damage, but it doesn't matter that much. It's as well just to annoy you guys a little bit. Oh. Let's go get some sticks from down here. Because we have so many. Let's keep a stack with us, you know? Okay, let's grab this.
Do you like cheese? If you do, what kind do you like the most?
What kind of cheese do I like the most? Blue cheese. I know, okay, I know everyone has their opinions about blue cheese. But blue cheese isn't that bad, honestly. Alright, it's not that bad. Okay, blue cheese is pretty decent. It tastes like it goes well with meats and whatnot, you know? Like, it's not that bad, guys. Come on. Okay, got some sticks. Got some wood. Alright, what do we need? So we need 5 fences. Okay, that's not bad. 3. Okay, there we go. That's 5. That's basically 5. How many gates do we need? We need 18 gates. 18 fence gates. Bro, that's a lot of gates. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bro, 16. How many do we need? 18? Why do we need 18? Oh, bro. Oh. 17, 18. There we go. There we go. Oh, no, that's in my potatoes. Don't steal my potatoes, game. All right, then we need some slabs. There we go. We got 24. We only need 18 slabs. There we go. We got our 18 slabs. Gates, 16 torches. How many torches? Do I have torches? I do have some. 16, right? All right, there you go. There's 16 torches right there. Then we just need 32 temporary blocks, and then we're done. Let's just grab a stack of cobble, half a stack of cobble.
Eoris, please rate the ping at my PFP. Don't mind why it looks like a girl.
Where did you put it? Is it your profile pic? Wait, please.
What a new
Oh. Sit down. Oh, you did the don't click this? Damn, that's a good one. I'm not gonna lie, that's a good one, Shane. Hello, Shane, bro. Welcome. All right, let's go have a look at your thing then. Let's go have a look at your thing. Okay. Yes. Alright, let's show it. Let's show it to me. Damn. Alright. That looks pretty cool, if I do say so myself. I think that's pretty sick, man. Honestly, it looks pretty good. Okay. So now that we got all of our materials that we need, we are going to make the spire spawner, and it should be pretty sick. Alright, let's go. Wait, no, I'm gonna probably need another pickaxe, so let's grab another pickaxe. We have the enough amount of items, so time to move. Let's go. We go down here. Time to make a banner. Yo, if anyone can figure out how to make this banner that I have on my cape, you are cool. All right, no one will ever find out because it took so long. It's such a hard thing to make. All right, we're here. Yo, Shane Place, thank you so much for the 1 bit again. Did you do the water?
Did you do the water? Someone redeemed it.
Did I? Wait, when was it? Oh, Steven! I'm so sorry, man. Thank you for the hydrate. Thanks for the reminder, Shane. That's very appreciated. Chat! We're 30 followers away from our goal! If you could follow, please drop a follow. It's free. It would help me out so much. Can we get a face reveal? No, man.
Can we get a face reveal?
Okay, no. Only once I get a mill. Once I'm close to a mill. Or at mill. Then yes. Alright, as of right now, no. Alright. Now we're gonna make this thing. The spawner. Alright, what do we need? Bro, I don't want to hear sounds. Let's see. You need a way to make sure that it is all lit up. Alright, cool. How much do you find? Make the room 9 blocks big. 9 blocks. That means there has to be 4 balls with. What? That's a lot, bro. That's a lot.
How many bits for face reveal?
How many bits for a face reveal? Probably a mil. How much is a million bits? A million cents. One mil cents to 10,000. Whoa. Yeah. All right. Yeah. I would say maybe. Yeah. A million bits. No one's got that money. All right. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. So it's just 4. Okay. How high is it then? 1, 2, 3. It's 4 by 4. It's literally like 4 everywhere. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bro. Alright, let's just mine it. We got this. It's fine. 1, 2, 3. Okay, this isn't too bad. I'm not made out of money, dude. Exactly.
I'm not made of money, dude.
Exactly. The only way to get me the face reveal is, you know, once I reach 1 million subscribers or followers. Subscribers on YouTube. 1, 2, 3, 4. So either 1 million subscribers on YouTube or 1 million followers on Twitch. That's all. That's literally my offer. Okay, that is me offer. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is it. This is it. Nice. I'm back. What's up? What's up, man? Welcome back. We make it a spider spawner. I mean, spider spawn. No, spider grinder.
In total, I have sent 912 bits.
I mean, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool, man. You know, I was thinking about doing a hand reveal, you know? What do you guys think about me doing a hand reveal? It's a bit stupid. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know. Like, people always want to do, like, elbow reveals, a hand reveals. The thing is, my elbow is, like, it looks like an old person's elbow, honestly. Honestly, I don't moisturize my elbow enough. I need to moisturize my elbow more, gamers. Honestly, I'm being truthful here. I need to honestly moisturize my elbow. It isn't like moist. It isn't moist enough. Get it? True. Wait, get what? What are we getting? Yes, 20k. Huh? My budget is $90, bruh. You don't need to give me any money, okay? No amount of money. Even if you give me $10,000, I still wouldn't face reveal. Yo, Zelda Lukes, thank you so much for the follow. But you know, honestly, if someone did, I might. Alright, I might. But I'm still not gonna do it though. Like, honestly, I'd really not want to. Alright, 16, page 16. Alright, no, page 17. Yo, Zedla, thank you so much for the follow,
reveal, give
man.
me some of the moisturized lips mouth.
That's a bit sus, my guy. That's a bit sus. My lips are kind of dry. I think I have a bit of I have a bit of eczema on my lips as well. Like at the right corner from like my POV, there's a little bit of like dryness slashing. I think it's dryness, not eczema, but it's yeah. I'm not very moist, gamers. Like the only thing I just have sweaty palms, sweaty buttocks, and sweaty back. Okay. I apart from that, like my knees are like pretty dry, my elbows are dry, my lips are dry. I have a bit, you know, my head is also dry. Bro, I need to get a haircut because of my scalp. Oh, it starts to hurt when when it gets super dry, because it's like, oh man, it's dying. It's like killing itself, you know. I don't know how to explain it. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sick. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice. Good job, buddy. Good job. I like it. Now what do we do? Tell me. Now make the ceiling 2 blocks higher as well. I hate you so much. I hate this guy so much. Alright, 2 blocks higher, right? Oh my god. So much money, and then let me guess, you have to go 2 blocks down or something. Alright, let's add you, Galvatron. I'm going on Hypixel. Alright, buddy. There you go. My god. Man's been grinding for Hypixel friend request. I'm still MVP++. What the heck? How? How long is my MVP plus plus? I don't even play Hypixel that much anymore. Well, I want to get back into it soon. I play offline when, you know, like on Discord, when I'm VCing people on Discord. Sometimes, you know, we chill a vibe and play. All right, Galvatron, send me a friend request. Do it, bro. Do it. Do it. Oh my, yes. Do it, man. Hi, David. Hello, David. Also, have you gotten Shiny Stone yet? No. Because, you know, I say I'll get it when I get a sub. That's the goal, man. When we get a sub, Shiny Stone will reappear. But when we reach our follow goal, our sub goal, you see that little, like, maid outfit? That's gonna be my skin. Alright, Shane. Bye, man. Thank you.
Alright, bye. Have to go.
Correct, SMP. Oh, damn. Alright, Shane, thank you so much for dropping by. Remember to stay happy, man, and have a good night, dude. Have a good night. See you later. I haven't joined yet. Bro! Galvatron, I have to go back to hardcore, man. I gotta go back to hardcore. Who's this idiot? Hypixel, 5-year veteran? Lame. I've been playing Hypixel for 5 years. Why don't I have a rank? Why don't I have a 5-year rank veteran? How do I get 5-year veteran rank? Bro, I've been playing on the server for like years. Bruh. Does this game have statistics? Sadly not. Galvatron. Yeah, I still have like 50 to 60 FPS with 811 render distance. That's pretty good, man. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. 50 to 60 FPS is pretty good. I have what? I currently have 80 to damn. It really jumps around a bit, as you see. I'm getting 100 though right now, between 100 to 60. Yeah, roughly 100 to 50. Yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know. It's really off. There we go. Except, there you go, Galvatron. There you go, big man. Hope you enjoyed the friend request, dude. It depends on your CPU too. True. But if you have a graphics card, it becomes easier. Like you're putting less strain on your CPU or in your RAM. You know? Graphics card just makes things so much nicer and easier, honestly. Hang on, guys. Okay. Alright, wait. That was kind of loud. So loud. Okay, not what I wanted to do. I wanted to get this. Wait, I know. Ah, man, I had this really cool song. Or no, I'm just gonna go my history. Don't expose me, okay? My history is my history. Don't be exposing. Here's my history. Everyone can just see my watch history. Here it is. Wow, there's actually not that much. It's not even that sus. Honestly, my history isn't my video history isn't even that sus. Bro, I have like the most non-history susness. Except for this, I mean, but not the point. Apart from that, it's like not that sus. Alright, where's the song I wanted? Yeah, it's this one. Pretty goddamn awesome song. I'm not gonna lie. Like, oh damn. Beautiful song. It makes me almost cry. It makes me almost cry. You friended me? Yes, that was so cool. Bro, I'm always cool. I'm cool to my view. I know if you're not following me, also subscribe to me on YouTube. I'm not cool to you. All right, straight up. Oh man, Thor Love and Thunder. I'm so hyped for it. I'm so hyped for it. Oh my god, it's the movie I want to see so badly. I think it's gonna do better than Spider-Man. Honestly, Thor Love and Thunder is gonna do better than Spider-Man in my opinion. Maybe better than Endgame. Oh my god, it's just so much hype. The music, the animation, the CGI. Oh my god, it might. I have a good feeling it's gonna do better than Spider-Man. Spider-Man, what's it called? No Way Home and Endgame, possibly Endgame. Endgame's hard to top though, you know. Endgame almost got like #1 movie in the entire world. I have a feeling, Thor is gonna be there. He's gonna be in the top 10. That's my best guess right there. Top 10. Okay, Marvel's gonna take over the entire movie cinema, like entire movie box office thing. Oh man, I'm so looking forward to it, bro. So looking forward. When it comes out, we're gonna do a movie night. All right, we're gonna do a movie night. We're gonna watch Thor: Love and Thunder. Oh man, it's gonna be so hype. I'm like fully fanboying, chat. Okay, I'm like fully fanboying about Thor: Love and Thunder. How can you not be? Honestly, how can you not be fanboying or fangirling about Thor: Love and Thunder? We have Chris Hemsworth, you can see his biceps in what, like 4K HD quality? Bro. For a random feeling, alright? I feel like that Loki's gonna be in this.
There's no way they can have a Thor movie without Loki. Loki has to be in this movie. There's no way they've removed Loki. All right, they gotta have Loki in this movie. Like, it's the only way. Honestly, it is just the only way. Like, I don't get it otherwise. How are they gonna do a Thor movie without Loki? Like, I get how sick, you know, Marvel, like the Marvel movies are. You know, like Loki's got his own show, but it's Thor. It's the Thor saga. They have to add Loki. Eoris, do you know the do-do-do-do meme? No, the do-do meme? What's that? Dude, the music's sick. I know. Thank you. I know. It's a fan made as well. It was made like almost when the trailer dropped, which is ridiculous. Like, how can someone make a song so quickly? Like, what the heck, man? I'm gonna put this on loop, bro. It's just so hype. It's so hype. Alright, bro, I did it. Yeah, hurry up. Yeah, I'm faster than you. You got another pick. Lame. Another right pickaxe. Alright, floor now. How deep, bro? 2 down? 3 down? Ba-da-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-da-ba. You're lying to me. 3 down? Okay, it is. It is good. Also, don't forget to replace the torches on the walls. Alright, sick. 1, 2... Bro. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Love this, man. I love it. Flip! How you doing, Flip Minecraft? Welcome to the stream. How are you? How are you? Hi, I'm doing well. We'll listen to the Thor, an epic version, you know, NCS and fan-made version of the Thor Love and Thunder trailer song. You know, the Oh Sweet Child of Mine. I was tempted to put that main song as the what's it called, as the starting stream music, and I think I did. I'm not sure. Oh, I may have put a different one. I'm not sure. No, I put this one actually. Never mind. I'm an idiot. I did put this one. But the original song is just as good. It started blowing up. Like, you can go to the description of the original song, and you see a bunch of people, like, coming from the Thor Ragnarok, from the Thor... I keep saying Ragnarok, even though it's Love and Thunder. You see a bunch of people from the Thor Love and Thunder, community going and being like, yo, here from Thor Love and Thunder. So hype, you know? It's just so... It's so nice and awesome to see. You know, I think as an actor, you know, as a wannabe actor and part-time actor-ish kind of guy, it's kind of like a dream, you know? It's like a dream to have like such a big community and fan base. I think that works with anything, with content creation, you know? If you're a creator of any sort of type, you know, music, art, you know, like actual art, you know, YouTube, Twitch, gaming, any sort of thing. Like, that's kind of like, you know, what everyone aspires to be, you know, someone big that, you know, can probably make a change. Like Michael Jackson, he spoke about making change in a lot of his songs, and I think that's what a lot of people hope and aspire to be like. I mean, not exactly like Michael Jackson, but, you know, what he embodies of, you know, change and want to change, and, you know, that's it's cool. Hello, I'm cool. Yes, you are cool, buddy. Thank you for dropping by. Welcome to the stream, sir. How are you doing? I need to break this in case, you know, I get trapped here. Then we got a problem. And there we go. Let's go make another pick. We're gonna make 2 more pickaxes. Yo! You regular Twitch chatter! Thank you so much for the follow and welcome to the cool follower. Oh crap. Cool follower book, man. Welcome to the cool follower book. Let me add you. Let me add you to the follower book. Let's do this. Twitch chatter. There we go. Welcome, good sir. How are you doing? Clap. It's my birthday. Let's go, Melody. Happy birthday, Melody. Oh my god, I had a voice crack. Happy birthday, Melody. I hope you're having a wonderful birthday. Honestly, Melody, I hope you're having a wonderful, wonderful birthday. Alright, pickaxe time. We're gonna make another one because we're gonna need another one. There we go. We got 3. Let's get a bit more. Alright, I don't know why I have randomly seeds in my inventory. Thank you, no problem. Happy, I hope you. What do you got planned for your birthday, Melody? Talk to me, Melody. What do you got planned for your birthday?
Listen and vibe to this. Oh, where I can like almost, relax and be on cloud 9 with this song. Maybe be in ecstasy. Actually, no, that's drugs. I don't do drugs. Well, no, we do. No, wait, we do. I'm not gonna say anything about drugs. It's your birthday. Respectful drug talks. Ooh. Hype song. Let's go. Oh man, who does not love this song? This song's so sick. Yes, tell us. Yeah, no, what kind of cake you think about getting? You gonna spend it out with your friends, family? What do you got planned? Let me know. If you don't want to share, that's perfectly fine. Oh man, chat. That was one point in my life where I was so obsessed with Marvel that I wanted my haircut to be like Robert Downey Jr. But then Robert Downey Jr. had like short curly hair, and my hair isn't curly. All right, my hair is like semi-curly-ish. Only if my hair is long, it gets curly. But, apart from that, it's not that curly. And I don't have, like, product, to make my, hair wax or whatever to make my hair stand up like RDJ. So I was like, all right, what's the next best thing? Thor Ragnarok haircut. And that's literally, I was obsessed with it for a while. So then, like, the next 2 years then, when Thor Ragnarok released,
Eoris is a cool person.
Thank you, guys.
If you are new, you should probably follow him.
Thank you.
If you follow him, you are going to be next level cool. Also, happy birthday, Melody, and the song is the best in the world.
Thank you, guys. Thank you. That's very appreciated. Oh, yeah, happy birthday to you, too. It is next level, but it feels kind of repetitive now at this point. Ew! Ew! The Flash! Ew, gross, man. Gross. All right, let's play some Guns N' Roses, the actual song. Oh. Look at this. Look at the description. Look at this. Obviously, I had to. But look, everyone going Thor, Love and Thunder. Look at the people you love. Thor, Love and Thunder. You just got Marvel, Thor, Love and Thunder. Thor. Oh, she's kind of older. Thor, Love and Thunder. Just so much like, so much discussion about Thor, Love and Thunder. Bro, how does a movie make an old song relevant again? Billion. I have to go. I had to watch the history now. All good, all good. I'll see you later. Childhood memories where everything was as fresh as the bright blue sky. Oh, man. All right, how? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, yeah, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Child of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now that the room is make an infinite water source. Wow. Okay. Okay, I will make infinite water source. That's probably why we needed the. Eoris, House of the Rising Sun. Oh, that's a good song. 3. Oh, people do the 3 thing. Oh, I don't like the 3 thing. It's so stupid. 2 waters in the corner of each other. Like this. Okay. Alright, so where do I want to do this? I probably want the water to be... Oh, man, I should have... Let's see this. Let's move it. Let's move it. Let's move it. Let's move it. Alright, I just want to do the 3 thing, even though that's stupid. But I know Captain Puffy does this, so it makes it less weird. Sweet child of mine. Oh, sweet child of mine. Pick up the infinite water source. Oh, sweet child of mine. Dig out the blocks that are not covered in water. Child of mine. How's it come? Bro. Oh. No. No. Oh man, bro. Yeah, do you guys love older songs? I mean, there's some pretty good old songs, you know. I want to know, what are your thoughts about these old songs, you know? They got 4 blocks on the sides. 1, 4. Yeah, bro. What? Okay. Now the water pot is done. Oh man. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 4. Honestly, I think you should mind that bit out, but you know what? I'm not the builder, man. I'm not the builder here. 3x2 hole. The heck's a 3x2? Oh, where do we go? Is that it? Where do we go? Where do we go? Where do we go? Oh. Where do we go? Sweet child, oh, where do we go? Na 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 na, where do we go? Oh, na 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 na. Hello, Spider Dance HD, how you doing? Welcome to the stream, big man. Now place on 3 signs. Do we go now? Where do we go? Where are my signs? What the oh, here are my signs. Oh, where do we go? Oh, where do we go now? No, 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 no. Sweet child, sweet child. 6 blocks deep. Oh. Alright. Oh, you did 3, so that's 3. So we just go extra. Okay, let's down here. 1 tail. Wait. I don't know. He just did 2 of these. Honestly, he just did this. Oh, damn it, bro. There's a water thing here. There's like a ginormous lake here. What the heck, man? Why did I build here? Honestly, I could have built anywhere in the world, and I built in the one place that has water in the entire cave. What is wrong with me? Oh my god. Oh my god. Bro. Come on. Oh, I screwed up. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. Alright, that should be good, right? I don't know if that's good. Let's get my son. Okay. Okay. How are you doing, by the way, Spider? What is happening? Where do we go? I don't know. Go 5 blocks up. What? Huh? Go to the 1. Okay. 3, 4, 5. I'm using bends, but you can use whatever building blocks you want. 3, 4, 5. Why? I'm confused. But I mean, I have fences because whatever. Have them. Bruh, I screwed up the water thing. Bro. Up. Alright, screwed up. Oh, damn it, man. Damn it. Uh-oh. I screwed up the water. What the flip? Oh. Oh, we gotta do that. Okay. Do this, then we do this. Then we break. I want to leave that there for the time being, because honestly, I don't know what to do with it. Okay. Alright, not the point. We need to do this. Okay, this is the important thing. Let's break this. We go up like so. Bing bong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. We got 5. Let's do this. Cursed. The water is so cursed. I know. Friends of Spider is getting stuck on top of the spawner. Good idea, sir. Good idea. That's a great idea. Next what? Now back to the tunnel. Skip this. Skip a block and we got 9 more blocks. Okay. I can do that. Damn. Alright, let's just break this really quickly. We break this. We break it. Let's break it all. Okay, then we skip this one and then we do this. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 9 blocks he said, eh? The 9 blocks. 1, 2, 3. And what does he do now? Start making the kill areas. Mine out more blocks for the killing area, so it's easier to build the farm. Bro, there's like an entire water ravine there, buddy. There's an entire water ravine. Wait, I'm confused. Show me. Okay, yeah, you just make this place bigger is what he's saying. God, oh God. Gotta do. Okay, we just have to do that. Honestly, we just need to make this like a cave in here. Eoris, I have to leave early. What's going on? We are making a spider farm, but I've made it inside like a giant water ravine cave thing. So I have to like cover up everything here, and it's so painful because I'm stupid and I don't know how else to really do this. So ignore the fact that I'm also slowly dying. Oh my goodness, man. How? Okay, let's put a torch in my other hand so I can actually know what I'm doing. Oh, damn, bro. I need the torch. Give me a torch. Okay, we do this. Come on. I'm gonna leave a little hole so I can actually swim back through and inside. Okay, quickly breathe again. Oh, gotcha. You know what, Angelica's? Yeah, I wanna play some Hamilton. You know, cause why not? Hamilton. You know what's a good Hamilton? What's a good one? The Schuyler Sisters. Ooh. No, actually, I'm not a big fan of this song, but it's I don't know what my thought is on this song. Like, honestly, like, at first I was like, it's not that bad, right? It couldn't, but like, personally, it's just not my type of song. That's the thing, you know? Burn? Oh, yes, gotcha. What do you mean, burn? Like, no, you don't want me to play the song? Oh my god. What do you mean burn? Like as in you're burning me for not liking the song, or burn the song because it's bad? I don't know what you mean. Look around. Why do I know this song? Is that in New York? No, there's a Hamilton song called Burn, but it's depressing. Oh, that one. I never liked that song. I don't know if it's because it's depressing or if it's just not my cup of tea, but honestly, I thought it was pretty lame. Oh, looking for a minded work. Minded work. Oh, minded work. Oh, work. Ow, I'm drowning. Oh, I don't like this Aaron Burr guy though, bro. But at the same time, I don't like Hamilton. He did Marriage Fraud, gamers. Actually, no, I do like him. He did Marriage Fraud. Marriage Fraud, gamers. Oh my god, you know? Alright, how big is this guy making it? Is he making it big or is he making it small? Declaration. Equal. Alright, how's that? 1, 2, 3. Wait, is that 4? Oh. Look around. Okay, how long? Is that 3? Okay. Look around. 1, 2, 3, and then this is the phase. The race happening. Okay, that's how far I can go this way. So just mimic that. Greatest city. No! America does not have the greatest city in the world. Okay, the greatest city in the world is the Minecraft villages. That is the greatest city. Oh god damn, bro, it's just too small. Oh, Gap. No. All right. No, bro. Okay, this is too small. Yeah, this is disappointing. They think they're the greatest city in the world. The American patriotism, I tell you. It's so scuffed. It's literally in their school. Which Hamilton song do you like? I like the wait. Hang on, wait. I like this one. Hang on. Can I find? Is it this one? Yeah, I like this one and the You'll Be Back one. These are my two favorite ones. At first, like, originally, it was, not gonna throw in my shot. But then afterwards, it's like, this is too godly. Rebel, scream, revolution. You have not your interest at heart. Just do the part. Chaos and bloodshed are not the solution. Don't need to lead you astray. This Congress does not speak for me. It's playing a dangerous game. Why do I know this song by heart? Shows you his mercy. For shame. For shame. See, it's so hard to do this bit. Lucian, I have not your interest at heart. To you with the straight face. Chaos and bloodshed are not a solution. I can't. It's so hard to listen to it because it's like, it's so good as well because of the overlap, you know? Dog speaks more eloquently. I'm playing a dangerous. How big did he? Oh crap. Man, the king shows you his mercy. Jersey for shame. For shame. I'm gonna scream. Don't need your interest. Yo, I'm back from the dishes. Let's go. How you doing? How you doing? I hope you know. You didn't. Yo! DP Gaming Live, thank you so much for the follow. It's very appreciated. Lens, a message from the king. A message from the king. A message from the king. Thank you for the follow, CP Gaming Live. Welcome to the cool follower book. Oh crap! I hate when I accidentally copy the logo. Say the price of my life's not a price that you're willing to pay. Cry tears city to see me go by. Why so sad? Remember, played an arrangement. You went away, now you're making me mad. Behind the chest, add some hoppers. Arrangement. Oh, your man. Hang on, I can go get another chest, actually. No, I found a better way of doing it. Actually, no, I have to do it. You belong to me. You'll be back. Time will tell. Remember that I served you well. Oceans rise, empires fall. You have seen it through it all. For shame. I know. This is so well. I will send a fully armed battalion to remind you of my love. Da 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 da. Da 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 ya da. Da 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 ya da. Da 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 da. Da 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 ya da. And cover the ceiling with the tunnel with slabs. Bro, I don't have any more slabs. Oh yeah, I do have slabs. Oh, it's sick. With slabs. So the right, can I even reach that far? I can. Weirdly. Oh no! Damn it, bro. Okay, can I? No, don't change the subject. You're my favorite subject. Wait, how did this water get through? Oh, yeah. Wait, did he skip a bit? He skipped a bit. Ever. He put in water. He didn't even tell us. What a scam, man. Oh, my God. He didn't even tell us to put water down, bro. Scammed us. He'll be back. Like before. I will fight the fight and win the war. For your love. For your praise. And I'll love you till you're my dying days. I have to go get water. Wait, I know where I can get water. And cause when push comes, no. Okay. Oh crap. No. I will kill your friends and family. Such a scammer. I know, right? I know. Didn't even tell us. Da 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 hi ya da. Alright, we do this, then we do this. Infinite water source. There we go. Da 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 hi ya. Alright, so there's that to water. That's exactly what he did. Da da ya da 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 hi ya da. Wait, whoa, what? All the way till the end? Whoa. Alright, again, what's this scamming, bro? Why are you scamming? Stop scamming. Why you, this guy, chat, I'm telling you, he's scamming, doing a lot. Wait, I'm missing a block. A flip? Oh, it's in here. Like, what? I lost a block. Oh, wait, torches. Yeah, we do need a few torches here. The water. Oh. Add 3 building blocks? Okay. Building block, and I'm guessing you put trapdoors here now. Some troops. Oh, alright, and I think it's like that, right? And the troops, I don't like it. Let's see, what other, you know, what are my other favorite, my other favorite Hamilton? You know, I think it's this one. Is it Cabinet Battle? It's the one, like, in the room where it happened. What's that one called? Was in the room where it happened. The room where it happened. The room where... I forgot. What's that song? Which one's that called? Is it the Cabinet? Is it Cabinet Battle 2? One Last Time? No. Now, One Last Time was kind of cringe, in my opinion. Not cringe. It just wasn't my vibe. Which one is the one where in the room where it happened? Is it called In the Room Where It Happened? Like, what's it called? Oh, yeah, it's In the Room Where It Happens. Wow, I'm in it. Oh, Secretary. Sir. I don't know these lyrics yet. You can start decorating and killing the area now. Is that it? Is that it? Wait, so what does he do now? I did something. I don't care what you did. Oh, wow, that's actually pretty cool. Spot optional if you don't want the spiders getting stuck on the ceiling. I don't want them getting stuck on the ceiling either, man. I'm gonna do this. I will do this. Build a trap for them up here. I will build a trap for them up here. This is a great idea. Why did just mine a two block area out first?
Well, hate the sin, love the sinner. Hamilton. I'm sorry, Burr, I gotta go.
Oh, I fancy it's at the bottom layer. Make sure they are open. Okay. God wanted this block on the top of the fences. Alright. It's filled up. Okay. Is that it? Okay, I can do that. Easy. How do I get out of here? Crap. I should have made a... What happens? The room where it happens. The room where it happens. No one was in the room where it happens. The room where it happens. The room where it happens. Sausage. Hamilton likes sausages. Yo, me too. Except, you know, I didn't commit to, you know, marriage fraud, but still, I like sausages. And the something. Let's just play lane. Uh-oh. Okay, let's do this. Alright. Come explain. In the room where it happens, the room where it happens, the room where... Oh man, it's such a godly song. Oh my god. Hang on, wait, I need to check some. Alright, no, wait, why am I here again? I forgot. I don't know. Just... No one was in the room where it happens. Room where it happens. Such a vibe. Honestly, you know, this is like the song for crime, you know? You want to get away with crime, you start playing this song and like, yeah, I didn't commit no crimes, you know? Okay, well, where's my gates? Wait, oh, here are my gates. I was like, I lost my gates for a second.
Wouldn't you like to work a little closer to home? Actually, I would. Well, I propose the Potomac. And you'll provide him his votes. Well, we'll see how it goes. Let's go. No.
Okay. Room where it happened. Room where it happened. Else was in the room. No one else. Da 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 da. Na 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 na. Uh-oh. I'm gonna drown here. Happens. No one else. The room where it happens. Okay, there we go. It should be Alexander Hamilton. Oh! Oh! Wait, is it this? No, what's the source block? I need a source block.
Then it doesn't matter where you put the US capital. Cause we'll have the banks. We're in the same spot. You got more than you gave. And I wanted what I
Trap? Trap done? Whoa, is that the trap? Is that it? Am I done? Am I done? Am I finally done? Like this. Okay, good. Hello, HBO Gaming. Welcome to the stream. How you doing? We're making a spider spawner. Oh, no. This is a scary bit right here. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. It's gonna work, hopefully. Alright, boys. Alright, boys. It's time. Forced over these. Because this one's kind of harder to run. I need to break these blocks. No! Don't screw this up. Don't screw this up. Don't screw this up. Don't screw it up. Don't screw it up. Okay, we're good. How am I going to reach this one? Oh, okay. Alright, I got it. Wait, we need to reach this one as well. Oh, break this. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, back away. Oh, okay. Wait, guys, give me 1 second. Alright, I'm back. Sorry, guys. Okay. Yes. Well, it worked. We got it to work. I want to just quickly check if all the lights are gone. Okay, there's only that one light over there. So, okay, we're good. It's fine. Now, if we just go back down here. Whoa. Alright, interesting. Okay, so if we just go all the way down here. Go here. Then. How do I stop this water?
Grandpa's in the paper. War hero Philip Schuyler uses Senate
Oh, it works! I'm a legend, gamers. Can I get the XP? I can. Alright, wait. No. Sorry, I'm changing the song. I'm changing the song back to my playlist. Still a pretty god song. You got this. I did get it. Damn, chat. We got a spider spawner now as well. Alright, I'm missing like a lot of torch. Oh, wait, no. I got all my 16 torches. Sick. Is it 16? Well, I think it is. Hang on, I can check. Can I check? I don't know. I can't check. It's fine. It's just torches at the end of the day. Damn! Yes, this works. This is good. Wow, they just... Whoa! Constantly spawning. Let's go. This is the first time I've actually made like a proper working spider spawner that actually works. And it's not broken at all. All we do is just chill here, wait for them. Oh, damn, son. And guess what? We can make a thing here. So we go all the way over here. And wait for it. We're gonna crack into the big cave. Yeah, just chill right here. You know, we need them to spawn. Alright, no problem. We wait like right here a little bit. You know, we camp it out. They spawn and then we come in. Rejoin the stream. Sick. Let's go. And then, you know, then we come all the way back and then just swipe. Whoa. Damn. This is the best way of getting XP, I think. You know, we get lots of string. We can use the string as well for trading with the villagers as well, which is good. How much we get? Not a lot. Okay, there's nothing here. I like that thing. See, I don't really like this setup because it looks stupid. I want to change it up. I'll change it up and make it look more better and more efficient because it looks stupid right now. I don't know why it looks just dumb, but I'll make it look nicer. Hello, moving cap. How are you doing? What is up? Cap movie recap. Oh my god, I really thought, you know, this would be much harder, but this is nowhere close as hard as the the gold farm, which is ridiculously even more challenging to make than this. Like, bro, do you not know, chat? If you don't know, the gold farm requires 3,000 blocks. Okay, roughly, give or take 3,000 to 4,000 blocks, and I'm too lazy to go around, you know, trying to collect blocks for that. So that's why I've just been like, nah, I'm good, man. I'm good. I'm just not gonna do it. So yeah, I don't know. You know, next stream I'm gonna work on a little path and make this look nicer because right now we need a path. Okay, let's be honest. We need a path because we don't got a path here. We need a better way of getting in and out of this place and using that mine path, kind of scuffed anyways and filled with mobs. So we're gonna work on a better path. Okay, that needed. Why is that not moving? Hello, yours. What? Yeah, no. Hello. Awesome. Well, boys. So. Yeah, it's just the setup for this thing is stupid in mind. Okay, let's change it up. This, then we all in here, and then I can even get in here. Like, yeah, son. Yes, son. How should I do more damage? Let's see. I want to do more damage. Eoris, just a random question. Do you like Dr. Pepper? I've never actually had Dr. Pepper. So, because it's not here in Singapore. I live in Singapore and Dr. Pepper is not a thing. I would love to try it. Never tried it. But, a lot of people say it's like Coke. I'm just here like, I don't even... I'm just like vibing here. Don't even Dr. Pepper. I mean, like, I know what it is. I just never tasted it. I would love to taste it though. Honestly, it seems like a cool drink. Alright, chat. Well, on that note, guys, I think I'm going to end the stream. Give me a second. Let's do this. Yeah, I think I'm going to end the stream. We're going to raid. Let's wait. Oh, man, chat. If you're not following, please drop a follow. I mean, we didn't get many follows today, did we? I don't know. We got like... Let's get to our follow book. Let's get to our follower book. Let's have a look. We didn't, yeah, I mean, we got a fair decent amount of followers, I guess. Guys, if you're not following, drop a follow right now. It's free. It would help me out so much, I gotta go. I have to go eat dinner now. And, yeah, I mean, it was a pretty good stream. Honestly, today I didn't really, I apologize for my bad energy or lack of energy. We're gonna raid CPK. You guys know whenever we raid CPK, he's an absolute legend. Let everyone, let's go raid CPK. He's doing some MCC practice, CP, MCC, yep. But again, guys, I'm so sorry, today was a kind of short stream. Remember to stay happy, everyone. I will see you guys all in my next stream tomorrow. I'll plan some things. I got some plans for tomorrow, and it should be pretty fun. But yeah, let's go show CPK some love and support. Just, when we raid him, everyone spam a raid. Go check out my channels, my things. But again, and thanks for streaming. No problem. I'll see you guys all later. Join my Discord. All right, everybody, join my Discord right now. Okay, at 162. Thank you so much for the follow. Welcome. You caught us at a bad time. We're ending now. I'm so sorry, but welcome. I'm gonna add you to the cool follow book. You got added to the cool follower book, my friend. There you go. Arthea. I'm so sorry if I mispronounced your name. But welcome. Again, thank you everyone for dropping by. Remember to stay happy. I will see you guys all later. Bye. And raid.
No. No.
This alert is brought to you by Raid. No Shadow Legend.
I actually feel sick. What's current rank? 545 is first. Oh, sorry, second.
Hi, Vod, thanks for dropping by. I'll see you later. Stay happy. Bye.
Eoris, thank you so